Sabi ko, baby girl, live na natin. Kaya lang hindi ako available kagabi. Okay? Sabi niya, sabi nung nag-message sa amin, I hope you can also protect our anonymity. Oh, see mo, February 22, nakita niyo yung date? 2023. Okay? Ayan ang sabi sa amin. By the way, the Indian community wants to send you token of appreciation, 500,000 cash dahil fans at supporters mo daw sila. They like your passion and advocacy to our country. You can use it sa mga social and humanitarian activities. Allergic ako sa mga ganyan. So sabi ko, budol to. Kaya yun ang nag-usap-usap kami. Nag-send kami kasi sa Japan ako noon. Chika-chika kami ni Sassy. Pare-pareho kami sinendan. Tapos may ginamit pa to Sassy na ito. Ang sabi ni Sass, when Morales named a certain James Kumar, it sounded familiar, and indeed, he is. Last year in February 2023, after I spoke against Edgar, they by way of Star Image. Ayan.